from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. I have an unboxing to share with you today. Thanks for tuning in. And I lost my mind a little bit, just a little bit, not a lot. And I just started opening this one for no reason. So I realized that I need to blow my nose. Now I realized that the camera wasn't on, so I stopped and turned it on. So I did not peek inside. I'm not a peeker. Are you a peeker? Are you one of those people that likes to know what you're getting for Christmas? I have always felt like it just ruins it. I do remember being about 14 one year and I peeked at all my presents. I found where my mom was hiding them, and I hope she's not watching this. Please don't tell her. But I lifted the tape and I looked inside for every single one. And it was the worst Christmas of my life. It was horrible. It's a standard toolkit, nice little green boat, a single pen, and a chunk of wax. Perfect. That's all you need to get started. I remember the very first kit I got, a little partial of the beautiful little flowers in a vase. I was like, what the heck is this stuff? That's when I started hitting up the YouTube videos. What is this? How does it work? If you're brand new, that is the wax that goes inside the end of the drill pen. Here's the drill pen. The end of it is hollow. And you put the pink wax into the drill pen, and then it makes the end of the pen sticky. So when you press the pen onto the drills, some people call them drills, they're diamonds, some people call them beads, you can call them whatever you want. It's sticky enough to pick up the little drill. And those of you who know how to do this are laughing right now because, and don't laugh because you didn't know either. I bet you didn't know. Okay, this is a 35 by 35, no, 35 by 45. This is my Christmas one. It's Santa Claus holding up an ornament. See him? So cute. I will put the picture up for you so you can take a good look at him. This is my first and only Christmas. And I just loved him. And, oh, I'm very happy. His beard is, oh my gosh, I see 5 colors, 6 colors, just looking at one little piece. There's a lot of shading. I can see the blue in his eyes. The ornament is a beautiful shiny blue. Here, let me hold it up so you can see it. How adorable is that? Look at his twinkling eyes. And cute little face. Little sprig of holly on his hat. Ooh, I'm super happy. Oh, a little dust ball just fell out at me, and I'm trying to control myself because I thought it was a spider. And I am terrified of spiders. Okay, I totally put that on crooked. If you put it on crooked, please go back and fix it, because you don't want your diamond painting exposed. It's still crooked. That's weird. All right, let me just peel the other side. The packing wasn't great on this, but it's not bad. I've had a lot worse. it got a little bit folded. So I'm going to have to, I think the weight of my stash at this point is enough that it's straightening out my diamond paintings. But if not, you can always put it under a book. All right, I'm going to do what I hate doing. I'm going to take it completely off because it's not straight. And with these, you always start at the middle and smooth out. Oh, still not straight. See, I've got this whole strip that's exposed here. Let's try that again. Sorry, I can't talk and concentrate. Wow, I'm really doing this very badly. Don't laugh at me. Don't judge. The good thing is that you can just do it over and over until you got it. I think I got it this time. There we go. Yes. I got it. Just don't give up. Never give up. Just keep trying. You're not going to hurt anything by peeling the paper off. This trick doesn't work for the plastic. It's too bad. Okay, so that's it. I'll take some inventory on the drills. I see bags in there. I like the colors. They're kind of muted, Christmassy colors. But then you see that orange in there, and there's red down there. I like that. Sometimes I want nothing but color, and sometimes I want muted colors with like a pop of color on there. And I think I said this before, but who am I kidding? I like them all. I love them all. I need them all. I want them all, and I will have them all. I don't know where I'll put them all. Okay, so we're all finished. You have a great day. I'm trying to get BB to come over, but she is not having it. You know what? Let me grab her. Let's see if she'll let me grab her. She's very particular about who grabs her and who doesn't. But she is a good girl and she submits to me, which means when I go near her, she lays down. Which is good when you don't move very well or very fast. Here she is. I'm going to try and grab Charlie for the next one. You good girl, BB. She's been very barky today, yelling at the delivery guy. I had some deliveries. But she's on guard. She stares. She's not ignoring you. She's doing her job, staring at the door. Good girl. You have a great day, and I'll be doing more unboxing, so tune in. Take care. Bye-bye. So I decided to lay down on the bed in between videos. BB comes immediately and curls up on my stomach. That's her spot. And this is how she treats me when it's just me and her laying here together. She's such a sweetheart. You would think I'd spread some peanut butter on my hand or something. But no, she just loves me. Right, BB? She's a good girl. You done? You done paying attention to